Today, I will teach you how to create a perfect YouTube channel in 2023. Click on the Create a YouTube channel. Now create the channel with your desired name. Now click on the Customize channel. Now you are entered YouTube Studio channel setting page. Now upload your channel picture and channel banner in your watermark. After complete this step, you must complete your channel basic info. Enter your channel description and connect your social media link and add your email address if you want. Now enter the publish. Now you can see your channel details. Again, go to YouTube Studio. Click on the setting. Now click on the channel and select your residence. Now is the most important thing for you. Now you must add good keywords for your channel related. Finally, verify your mobile number. Now click on your channel area and see your channel all details. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.